You know I got kids. Hey everybody, it is Manicure Mondays, and that means loofahs and all these bomb colors. Just kidding. No, but we are going to be using a loofah today to achieve the diamond effect. So I put a pick and choose out on my Instagram, and if you're not following me on Instagram to figure out what colors I was trying to go for today, here's my link below. So what you're going to be needing is the loofah. Don't worry about the little piece underneath. So I cut out a little piece already. And now you're also going to need is a sponge. Makeup applicator. Don't worry about my kids. They fight all the time. I'm going to split it in half because I had two colors from my pick and choose. And two of them were top rated and they were both even in the numbers. So I couldn't just pick one. I had to do both since they were both picked. So what you're going to do is you're going to have a paper plate. You're going to pour a little, not a lot, but a little of the nail polish on here. And put it off to the side, and then we're gonna have the light baby blue one. Make sure you shake them up good, get the picture combined. As you can tell, I've already painted my nails. Needed them to dry before I was able to do this. And I'm gonna do that one over here. Not a lot, as you can tell. See, just a little dab. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna take one of the meshes, I'm gonna wrap it around. And it would look like that. Nothing fancy. Let me get this a little better. Okay, you're gonna take one of the sponges. Gonna dab it. Kind of like when you guys do the gradient. Looks like it's melting through. That's kind of weird. It's like melting through my paper plate. So it's kind of like when you guys do the gradient videos and everything. You're going to take it and we're just going to smash it on there. I'm going to dab it. Okay, I'm going to blow on it. To make sure it's dry so when I rip it off it's not going to smear. So, let me get closer. Hi. Okay, I'm going to try taking this off. Okay. See, this is my first time, so it's not going to be, you know, professional like you see on the 5-minute video crafts on YouTube. Oh man, that's so hard to focus. It looks like mermaid scales, kinda. Maybe if I do the blue one real fast, might be able to. See, my blue actually matches my loofah, so I won't be able to tell. Okay, I'm gonna cut a little piece off here. I'm just gonna wrap it. That is so not the way I want to go. There you go. Oh my gosh. My nail polish is eating through the plate. What in the... What? What is going on? Why is it... Look at that. It's just eating through the paint. Okay, well, we just established that either my nail polish is really toxic or paper plates. So we had to fix this. So, I don't know. I'm going to use it on my other thumbnail and just wrap it. And this time, come on, work with me. We're just going to paint. Gosh, it's not working. Okay, we're just going to paint this on here. Dab it. I'm just going to tighten it. and tighten it. And see, a lot of YouTubers probably won't show you the struggles of trying to do this stuff. And I don't care if I show you. I'm showing you the real me. And the real me is gonna get really close to your bubble. Hello again. So we're gonna dab the blue one. We're gonna compare them. See, I didn't dab much, but my fingers are all twisted up. You see it? I'll show like pictures after, so don't worry guys. I'm gonna rip this off of us. Yeah. Maybe. Let me give me something else to try, okay? What if I just did... What if I didn't stretch it? What if I didn't stretch it? And dab. And I don't know, maybe I should just turn this Manicure Monday into like let's see if we can achieve the 5-minute craft DIYs. Don't get me wrong, they're pretty, some of them are actually pretty smart, but some of them were like out there, if you get what I mean. Okay, I'm gonna try this again. Gonna stretch. Look like that. The blue thing goes. You gonna get on there? Go there. Oh, goodness gracious. It's popping off. I've already messed up my nails. So maybe if you guys had more patience and I don't know, just more patience, I guess. It won't stick. What are you doing? Oh my jeez. Oh goodness. Okay. Just be prepared to have messy fingers, apparently. Oh, this is funny. So here's one that when I didn't tighten it, they just all scrunchy. And these two are like kind of like a mermaid print. I don't know if you can see that. You can see like some design. I'm gonna keep trying this and see how it turns out. I'll be right back. Yeah, since the video was a fail, I'm still in my pajamas. Since the video was a fail, I want to hear from you guys. Tell me, have you seen a video that was so bogus that you tried it? And I want to know what you tried. Like, did you try the gradient, you know, this? As my last video, you've seen that I tried doing this and it did not come out correctly. That was fake. I've tried doing the loofah I saw off a 5-minute craft. That's fake. That is not real. It came out all mushy and non-realistic like. And really horrible. I'm definitely gonna clean my nails after this. But so, tell me in the comments, is there a video you've seen that you have not tried yet, but you want to see it done? Tell me the link or tell me the name and I will go search for it myself and try to achieve it. And I will even give out a shout out of who suggested this to me. So I hope you like this video. I know it was not a great video, but at least you got to see my goofy side. Boop, 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 boop. Also, like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell on the way out because I want to show you guys how appreciative I am and doing everything my viewers love for me to do. Also, for my viewers and my subscribers or anybody that's new to this channel, hi! I want you guys to tell me, would you want to see my 4-year-old daughter do my makeup tomorrow on Beauty Tuesday? I'll let her do whatever she wants to my face. Oh, yes. Yes, my daughter loves makeup and she loves nails. So if you want to see that tomorrow, tell me hashtag daughter makeup day. Okay? In the comments below, hashtag daughter makeup day if you want to see this tomorrow. If not, I'll just go figure something else out. Alright? Catch you on the flip side. I hope you guys have a great day.